Hello everybody and welcome to another video. So today we have a Audi A6 C6 model, which one is 2007 year made, and we have a bad screen which one basically need to be replaced. And in this video we can see all the instructions how to do that. Probably we can fix that screen, but I'm not sure. So basically just easiest way is to get another one, used one from another car. In this Audi we don't need the coding, because it just need to be changed. It doesn't matter the numbers, anything, just make sure you have the same color screen. So what you need to do, you need screwdrivers basically. You need to find the lock pins, which one is inside of the vents. Two lock pins is on the top, and under the bottom you have the same two pins, which ones holds the vents into place. This is pretty tricky, because the top ones you can see them, but the bottom ones cannot. When you get them lifted, you have the access to remove it off. As you can see, here you go, the clip on the top one on one side, there you have another clip on another side, and the same you have on the bottom. This one is pretty hard to see, and the same thing is another side. So basically 4 clips. They have pretty struggle to find, so you just find them and get them off. On this side you have just wiggle them off, there is no clips. Things with the buttons is pretty easy, because other side you have a bolts. You need to push this thing on the one side. As you can see, it goes off pretty easy. Then you get the locking plate off, and yeah, you just get in the tool to pull the buttons out of the dash. Yeah, you need to pull a bit hard to get them out, and when you get them out, it is a little challenge. You need a little bit of power. So let's wiggle it out, and as you can see, there's holding just a couple steel plates on the sides. There's nothing more. Then just you need to unplug the plug. Simple as that. Another side, as you can see, there is a bolt. There's a 10mm bolt. The same thing you do another side, just pop off a little thing, and then you can do with anything what you have. Just pull as max you can. There it is. It goes out pretty easy. Just pop it up, and the button is out. There's another bolt behind that. With this slide switch, is pretty easy. You just pop it out from the inside, and yeah, these vents you need to remove the first. Another bolt. The vents is the same thing like I showed in the first part, and just push them in with the screwdrivers. You have 2 on the top and the same 2 on the bottom. They are pretty hard to see, but if you will get some flashlight, you will be able to see them. As you can see here, just make sure don't break anything. You have to be very gentle. You have to use good tools. Yeah, it goes that way in. So after you remove all the bolts all the way around, you'll be able to pull out that dash. So you pull off the dash, and then you have access on another side. After that you just remove the clip. That's pretty easy as well. 4 bolts, 8mm. Oh no, not 8mm, but 5.5mm socket. 5.5mm socket. So you just screw them out from the both sides. Then you have a clip. Just pop it out with the hand if you can. If not, just use a flat screwdriver and just pop that thing out. It's not so hard job. Yeah, here it goes out easy. And after that, you can, of course, you can basically see the bolt part numbers and stuff like that, but actually it doesn't matter so much, as long as you know that the screen is alright. First things first, test. As you can see, all's coming on. You had a screen, you had all functions. Just make sure you test them all out. Is radio, then we have audio CD, and then we have about the car, but that's going to be active only when you start the car or switch on ignition. But as you can see, all is perfect. You need to fit all back in as you do them off. Here it goes. Lovely look, all nice. The screen is on the place, all popped in, nothing scratched, nothing damaged, nothing broke. So have to be gently, have to be careful, and that stuff is pretty easy how to change a screen. So I would say on this point, thanks for watching. Leave a like, leave a comments. I hope this video helped you out, and see you next time.